welcome to my channel. I'm Magical Maiden, and today I just want to say thank you to my old subscribers for sticking around so long, as well as to my new subscribers and to those just looking around. I hope you subscribe. I hope you all remember to click that notification bell so you're notified when I upload my newest content. And I hope you will all have a look around because I have many different playlists. There's a variety of different playlists on my channel, something for everyone, and I hope you will check it out, as most of you that have been with me for a long time know. So it's the fall season once again, and I'll be starting my paranormal vlogs, and I have a lot of reviews coming up, and I have so many other things. So really make sure that you click that notification bell, and if you're not subscribed, do so. I really love hearing from you, so I hope you would comment if you have any questions or just want to say hello. And I have so many different playlists. I have my jewelry tutorial playlist, which I started on my channel with just one or two things that I really just was to share, really for my friends on Facebook, and they loved it. And before I knew it, it's just like got really a lot of views, so they asked me to make more, and I started doing that because originally it was just a place to host videos for my cats. Now I've been on YouTube for a long time. There was a point in time that I removed all my videos, but I did save them all to a stick because I wasn't sure I wanted to do it anymore. This is just a hobby. I'm not monetized. I don't make any money off of YouTube. I tried monetizing once and I really didn't make much. It took forever. But I'm not on here every single day like some people. I know to really grow the channel, I'd have to be here more and make more videos. I am very busy. I don't have that kind of time. This is more or less a hobby. And because I know I have you guys out there that enjoy watching, and I try to make my jewelry tutorials easy for the beginner, but as well as the more experienced jewelry maker, because it's just a bunch of ideas. And so what you're seeing is a necklace that I made and earrings that I made recently, and those are in my jewelry tutorial videos. So if you want to go check out that playlist, you'll see these earrings and this necklace. I like creating different jewelry, but I want to make it easy enough for the new jewelry maker, the beginner. No matter how inexperienced or experienced you are, I'd like you to, basically be able to make jewelry. And it can be easy, it could be fun. And I try to find you affordable materials, affordable supplies, so that you can make really cool jewelry as well. And I also have, for those who like jewelry supplies and other crafting supplies, I do have in my review playlist, I have an unboxing and review I just did with BB Craft. And I'll have jewelry tutorials coming up with some of the items that I reviewed on there. So you want to check those out. That's my review playlist and my jewelry tutorial playlist. I still have to get to, I just have one tutorial using one of the items, but I still have more. I've been very busy. It's been hard to get anything done because not only do I have to make the videos, but then I have to edit them, and I have to find time, and there's always an interruption around here in my home. There's an interruption. I was having some work done. I had new windows put in. I had a door put in. They were all rotted. They were old from when the house first was built in the 1980, and they needed to be replaced, so I had to get that done. So I had workmen here. They were noisy, they were loud, they were everywhere, they were making a mess. Then I had to clean up that mess. Then you never know, they're not done in one day. So waking up really early, and the cats had to stay in their room, and it was just chaos. So I haven't really had the time. Normally I would have already had my fall welcome up, which this is, so happy fall. And normally I would have had a lot of other things done already, and I would have done some paranormal vlogs. So this is the spooky season, the time of the season where I make my paranormal vlogs. I get spirits in water scrying as well, and I do water scrying differently. And I also have some EVP clips. It's really conversations I have because I am clairaudient and clairvoyant, so I do hear a different frequency than normal people would. So sometimes I try to pick out the best and the loudest for you. Some people can hear it, some people can't. But, you know, just wear your earbuds or earphones and crank it up. I try to make it as loud and clear. I don't edit in any other way but to clear up the noise and make it louder. And I tell you all about that in all of my paranormal vlogs. So I hope you'll check it out because it's spooky season. You know, get a snack, get a drink, turn the lights down, light some candles, and get ready to be spooked. Go ahead, watch the whole one from the beginning to the end. Now, I will say in the beginning of my paranormal vlogs, it was a little uneasy sharing my abilities. I really only shared it with my family and friends that knew me for a long time. I felt uncomfortable because, you know, some people just think you're nuts. I assure you, I am not nuts. At least I don't think I am, but I just wanted you to know that I felt uncomfortable, so I laughed a lot. I was goofy, but I'm always goofy. I try to keep my channel as positive as possible. I know sometimes I have to touch on certain things, but I try to keep it positive. I try to keep it light. I try to keep it fun. Because the world is heavy enough that sometimes we want to come here and be just relaxed. So I try to do that as fun. I also have my ASMR and some poetry that I wrote. They're kind of dark and gothic, but I think you'll like them. And I also have some copyright-free backgrounds that I created and that my husband created for me. And you can check those out. They're free to use. All I ask that you credit my channel. So now my paranormal vlogs, again, if you haven't seen them, I do put clips of conversations I have. I call them EVP clips because you're not going to hear the whole conversation. I do show you what I capture, spirits, entities, and interdimensional beings in water. I call it water scrying, but it's actually a little different than that. You can use I guess you can use a black mirror for that. I am going to try new techniques and I'll see if they work. And if they do, I'll bring them to you in my paranormal vlogs. So I have to make this a short welcome, but I just want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank my old subscribers for hanging around. Don't go anywhere. And I just want to remind you to make sure you're subscribed and click that notification bell. And please like my videos. It helps them to circulate. Again, I'm not monetized. I don't make any money off of this. But it helps to circulate and grow my channel. Because if my channel grows, then I can get more of my content out to you. And I hope you enjoy yourself. And please comment, say hello, any questions, just so I know you're out there watching. And thanks for watching, by the way. So again, go ahead. I have a variety of different playlists. Go check them out. Check out the videos. And remember, I have a lot of discounts in my review playlist. So you always got to look underneath in that description box under my review playlist to find it. Usually there's a special link. You should click that because that will coincide with the discount. Once you click that, you can use that discount, okay? And it credits me they'll know that it was from me. So that's why I put a special link, and then you have your discount. So go check them out because I have a lot. There's BB Crafts, there's Gothic, and they're beautiful rings and jewelry and other things. And there's so much more there you've got to check out. So I hope I hope you will check it out. And if you're new and you're just browsing and haven't subscribed, I hope you subscribe, click that notification bell and say hello, tell me you're new. And again, not all of my playlists are for everybody, but there's a variety of different ones. So you could choose which one is for you, or maybe all of them. And I didn't want to have a bunch of different channels, so I put everything on one channel. This way it's easier for me to check my comments, to reply back to you. And I approve comments. I don't get many trolls. I only get a few trolls on my paranormal vlogs, but it doesn't bother me. I don't go back and forth with them. I approve comments only because I don't want them insulting you, my subscribers. And I really don't care what they have to say if it's negative. Again, I'm just like, whatever, you know, and I really don't read them and I just delete them. So it's a waste of time and they're not getting fed, so they go somewhere where people like to fight with trolls. I don't have time for that. So anyway, I just want to say hello and happy fall, and I'll be seeing you in my videos. So thanks for watching. Bye.